Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add reviews on Wix website easily. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply get started with my link in the description down below. So now guys, once you are on Wix, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on all sites over here at the top and go ahead and select your site. And from here, just simply click on edit site over here guys at the top right, and it will redirect you to the Wix website editor. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on this add elements. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the strip over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to testimonials. So from here, you will have multiple templates that you can choose from. So this will pretty much depending on you. So now from here, I recommend clicking on this. So click on this. And after that, it will add into your website. And pretty much from here, you can click on manage columns. And from here, you can just simply pick a column and you can move it to the right or to the left, and you can duplicate it as well. And if you want to add another column, just simply click on this. So guys, from here, you can change your background by clicking on this. So you can change it by color, image, or video. So when you click on image, you just have to simply go ahead and upload a media or just simply select a media from Wix. So this will be depending on you. Now, when we go to this icon, you will be able to have here the effects. So you can choose multiple effects that you can choose from. And from here, you can have the layout. So from here, you will have different layout that you might want to consider. And now we have here the shape dividers. And from here, you should be able to change it as well. And now when you want to change the picture, just simply click on this and click on change image, and you can also edit it as well. And after that, just simply provide the right name and provide their feedback over here. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.